I'm the king of finding less expensive alternatives, and I actually found a tool that does everything that the MDS McLaren tool does. This is called Diagcode. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn the car on, if that works. Okay, it seems to work. That screen's coming up. 720S, that's a good sign. And I think this is actually only an accessory mode right now. I need to turn it into full prepare to start mode. So I'm going to push it again. There we go. Getting a whole bunch of error messages on this thing so far. Let me see what's on it. Traction control system, the ABS, the airbag light is on. The brake light is on. The check engine light is on. Pretty much everything is on in this vehicle. And I'm not sure if those will go away once the vehicle is started. But let's just do a quick diagnosis just in case. So we're going to go in here to the scan tool. And nothing on this car is currently working. None of these buttons work. You go up and down the stalks. Nothing changes up there. So the car is kind of dead in a lot of senses. Let's see what shows up. A lot of these modules, wow, there's a lot of error codes. The ADI, body control module, 13 errors, 24 errors in the engine control unit. Let's look at the ECU real quick. This seems to be the most troubling one. This will probably tell me why it wasn't really starting and running all that easily. So let's go ahead and just go to read the trouble codes on that one. You could actually get pretty granular and see what the various issues are. Ooh, okay, misfires. So misfire cylinder 1, 6, 4, 5, 2, and 7. So pretty much every cylinder has a misfire on it. The first thing I'm gonna do with this car is probably change the spark plugs and the coil packs. And then I'm gonna fire this thing up to see if that 24 goes to a lower number.